on the edge. It's time for the big and massive sound to play.
Lever is a reason why we just make the song play. You understand? The platform here, it's not normal. Big up to all who come here to come support Massive. Big up all who there, so. Jesus!
Hey! Yeah, you know, it's full circle, y'all. Yeah, judgmental, HMG, y'all, yo. Massive sounds, still killing sounds. Yeah, killing sounds with the deadly pain.
You know somebody like how the crowd are react off of that song, yeah? That song, yeah, I'm gonna retreat, you know. But they don't know that. That song, yeah, genius.
Hey! Yeah, you know.
Dancehall Thursday.
Yeah, judgmental.
Take time and put it together, alright?
Massive sounds, still killing sounds. Yeah, killing sounds with the deadly pain. Massive sounds, still killing sounds. Oh yeah, killing covered sound by the night again. Oh, where's the massive sound?
As a Rasta man, we could come a Dancehall Thursday. And when they start my round, me don't play like a real sound, brother. Genius, what me about God?
I will say Jack. Jack could never be right.
Dancehall Thursday.
Out of darkness come.
Tonight I'm gonna be a different. I don't want to turn us up. Dancehall Thursday. Come on.
Again. You rise on your
This morning,
thanks to see the
all who give thanks for life, listen to the lights on, not hear them. All who give thanks for life, put the lights on, not hear them.
as the time is so
dangerous,
and some clash get so dangerous, so dangerous, so dangerous, so dangerous.
Lever, I want to watch up Genius. Play next song. I want to watch this in a Genius, a musical artist. Alright, never tell them why. We saw the Lord, Dancehall Thursday. We saw the Lord. I'm going to fix up this tonight. You understand me, sir? Tonight I'm going to fix up this. Lever, I want to come and play with artists. I don't get no reaction. Now go see what I'm going to do. Genius!
Yeah, you know.
We're so there! Can't talk of food.
Stepped in the dance of this evening. I would hear that if you jump and so play. But if it was massive sound playing, I'd say the dancer would not be someday. Ain't nothing wrong with another sound playing. I wanna hear massive sound play. You know the people in the dance ain't too happy. Cause what they're saying we always hear them say massive sound come lock them out. They jump on sound, they lock them out.
Yo,
massive sound come to
lock them off.
them jump on sound, they lock them out. That massive is the sound.
Shoot, Genius, shoot!
Massive is the sound.
And the first one, you know.
Of the balance. Turning from a
Dancehall Thursday!
and at the end of the week, I got to make some massive sound of it.
Yo!
Me and my bitch in shadow.
Come on!
Take a little story to dance all
Yo!
watching the African queens having themselves a ball. Oh, God. Well, it's a
Song till the morning!
hey, I am the
Shoot, Genius, shoot!
baby.
I'm the first round this year. Take time and fix it up.
I climb in my own bed, sleeping, keep it sing, searching for my sorrow. It's a massive sound playing for me. How is it taking so many sounds to back and go home? When we learn.
Dancehall Thursday. I'm the first round this. You understand? When we play like we know it. You understand? Dancehall Thursday.
I'll be the artist. Hey.
Who this?
Money. Whoa. Yo, did that Florida? Yo, it's
Barbara, step in the Dancehall Thursday. Look, my brother.
It's coming up through massive. I've been down. I've been through that by my things down. The champion town. The champion town.
Yo, you just dry so he man pop. You just chop it and dry so sure. How the mic sounds so low? Whoa. Alright, microphone check one. Mike. So we are going to England here now. Canada, sorry. Well, man, tell you the whole I want to come from foreign and have something to do with foreign, so I get me confused. So Canada we are going now, people. Saying that one they are from Portland. But him family them live a foreign same, but a Portland him come from. So big up the Portland sound name. Massive. Him just don't play. You know. Where your name again? Merciless Operation Outer Canada. So hear me now. Put things from people, my brother.
Alright. Blessings, love, harmony. Right here, Canada, with that part. I want to big up everybody that's here tonight. This is one of the listen, brother O'Neal famous, Peter Metro. Big up yourself. I thank you from Toronto, Canada. How many people love Rub It Up Thursday, Dancehall Thursday? Let me see on. This is the biggest thing ever. Penny Island. I'm a G, you hear me? Well, here's the first thing we do here. We have to, before Merciless played tune, what I want you know, Preacher the Teacher, you know where you're at. Buzz Biggs, Rookie, you know where you're at. The first thing we have to do is how many people love God? How many people love God? Well, if we love God, we must play God's tune and bless up everyone and bless up the place. I'm Hugo Bantan, run tune.
Call up on the Merciless sound.
Yeah.
I'm not kissing a Kimmy, I'm not named Kimmy.
Right, just engineer.
Merciless sound.
Turn me up.
Operation sound, big
Fred
red sound.
Lodge in the building. Honor and respect the general.
Merciless operation. We run the town.
Listen, there was a sound that played here about 3 weeks ago. They didn't even play this in the clash. Are they crazy? Come on.
Merciless don't work for the CIA. They just say things to come and lead the way.
Who's your bless?
Oh yeah, big sound don't work for no funny guy. Don't you know Merciless? It's the big
Every time. Fred Lodge.
test the big sound.
Honor and respect.
Tonight your sound will die. Me not tell no lie. So boo bye bye. Just say, Merciless they know you
Big up.
That's what the rest is. And the dance I say.
Hey, what's the name of this song? Merciless. I want to tell you something. I want to let you understand something about this name. This is not just something that we just pull out the Webster dictionary, you know. Leonard Barkley. This is his sound from Toronto, Ontario, Canada. God just a little while ago. I'm gonna leave some of the sound for draw Peter Morgan. But we want to draw some from our legendary Leonard Barkley right now. And by the way, I lost my mama in August. And I saw it set it. Right, yes, sir.
Barn Road, Mr. Western Road, Malvern. Westmoreland Center, Nova.
How many love your mother? Let me see. Yeah, yeah.
Anywhere you respect them, mother, come out of the dance.
If you love your mother, lift up your hand if you love your mother. Here we go.
We will always be thankful and always be sure for all the things that
Mothers. I said if you love your mama.
Barn Road, Mr. Western Road.
Michelle, if you, Penny Harry, if you love your mama, my mama dropped out August 3rd. It's the worst thing that ever happened to me. But if there's one thing for sure, you know, see how me big and fat and ready, mama put this in me. Because I love mama food. Draw tune.
Mr. Western Road, Malvern. Westmoreland Center, Nova.
We love mama food.
Anywhere you respect them, mother, come out of the dance. The year now, Merciless operation. We will always be thankful and always be sure for all the things that mama taught we fi do.
Hey.
Mama preach, I love your picture. Nobody could have never make him disrespect you. Mama cooking are the greatest. Merciless operation got to confess. Mama cooking are the greatest. Oh yes, me say preacher got to confess.
Merciless operation sound. Merciless operation.
Now we go to war. You know how the West was won. You know how the West was won. We're not shooting because we're not about violence. So we're not shooting gun. But we are shooting no play. We're putting roots in the building. Here we go.
Down in the West Texas town of El Paso, I ran the club with a Mexican girl. Night she went into the Rosie's Cantina. Merciless play and the people feel nice. On my own way and to dancehall plays. I hear a sound name called Merciless. The operation and give you style. The operation's so versatile. It was a lonely dancehall night. The operation right down. I could see all the dancehall massive. Make the people then gather around. All night the operation right down.
Merciless a bad sound and named up top. This operation tonight will lock them up. Merciless a bad sound and named up top. This miss a mix tonight will lock them up to operation. None of them are no threat. Wicked and Bassino and Merciless to preacher. None of them are no threat. Well, wicked and Bassino and Mercy. Tell them fi come back up in a. Come back up in a wreck. This Merciless to get them instant dead. Them a up and a pop up soon. Run out of Merciless.
Here we go.
What's the rifle and the best man?
We just shoot.
So we call him now.
I shoot.
Merciless to not powder. Anything less dead. Merciless to not powder. Anything less. Don't answer, don't load them up. Jump on figures, in the subordinates, you know I strike one shot. I said don't load them up. Jump on figures, in the subordinates, the man got them. Turn the man over, everybody will don't see them. Me a go kill a soul. Merciless, you rough. Kill any soul. Merciless sound so rough. Kill every soul. Merciless sound so tough.
That's how we are juggle.
Yeah. Well, I've been killing these sounds for the longest while. My career, enough of them want to style. Killing these sounds for the longest while. Never you try papa fall another man Kyle. Killing these sounds for the longest while. Long time Merciless and we not stop till the file. Killing these sounds for the longest while. Give away more than 1/10 of the strength of the strength of the strength of the strength.
I know just one cable time we have another back to hear this one, yeah.
You go back town up with people. I want to find one of some man from Canada, I'm going to watch the low here and over. Yeah, man, Westmoreland. Yeah, man, 6. Well, my name is them furnishing.
We just struggle to tune it.
Ready? Ready? Oh, Pop, you see you can't ban, then you can no one.
Original.
From the original man. There's no bad like Merciless operation. We no every kill jump and well me see clear down in the revelation. One man was worthy then he is the lamb. Visit down on the shoulder but down Vatican. Bust up the seven seas and make Batty man bank in a Geneva conference. Something went wrong. So for them not know where the man appear from. When the man speaking down the congregation, them see my Africa, America, England. And say merciless, give them with the operation. No one of them. But they say you can't bandit, you can't do one. 7 miles off the merciless, stop place. Killing them in the dance.
Again.
7 miles off the merciless,
Again.
stop place.
Hold it, Merciless. Take your time, man. Take your time, Merciless. I want like a red flag up look a while, but you know, I give and take. So hear what me I say now. Bad sound there now. Yes? Right from Jamaica. Ladies and gentlemen, out of our country, Jamaica, here come bad sound. Delta Force. Delta Force.
Good morning, my people. Good morning. I like it. I like it. Decent people. Decent endorsement. Earlier, told me say they want to play. I don't say you play for Jamaica people. I'm saying for Jamaica, so I'm going to represent Jamaica for him.
Right. Delta Force is the sound.
We're sound up there.
The man asked me what's the sound. Delta Force, yes. You should even say it. Hey!
Oh, up there!
Hey! Ha! Hey!
What I know?
Hey!
Back to Melbourne!
You know Delta Force is the sound. Moving up the lawn.
Why?
You know Delta Force is the sound. Moving up the lawn tonight.
Take it up! Kingston! Jamaica, we're there now! We're there!
Lonely, exclusive.
If we love God, do so!
For all the tribe of Israel.
All love God, do so!
Tell them, say Israel king, is Israel's God. Anyone else that say I'm a man. Israel king, is Israel's God. Anyone?
Nothing has started, man. It's early same way. This is the first round. I say you play first round. We love the people then. We love them. What am I saying?
Brothers and sisters, good morning. It's all about the people, so that is showing. Wow, good God, kill him out here. Right. Sometimes it's hard trying to make it. Believe me.
Not started, yeah.
In order to achieve overtake it.
Jesus, please. Bring on the soul, man.
With obstacles in your way, you may fall before you rise.
Oh, God! Check it out. They say I rub my dog thing. But you don't want to enjoy yourself, too much. Too much slow thing, no. You don't want to enjoy yourself, no. You can enjoy yourself, no, man. Too much slow music, man. We love rub my dog, you know. But you can't play rub my dog in this style, like, too.
There's a forcing.
I say you can't play rub my dog, too. Hold on,
I'm a call it, no fixed up already ready. Here I am with us, I sound already. No fixed up already ready.
Metro! Yes, I know feel Metro. Now what do you? Metro Media!
So strong and so mighty. So many times I'm trying to
explain. Me ain't play one Luciana. I don't say you play Luciana. When you play Luciana,
Lucy.
I read the Bible. I will also just splendid.
Yeah, Charlie better.
After you play Lucy, you know.
Delta Falls Bay. Just yesterday, I was open tomorrow, and I just and prayed it would bring a brighter future.
All respect Martin and Levi, do so. All respect Martin and Levi, do so.
Went away to a far, far land. Spent some time in New York. Most of my time in England. No welcome back to.
Take it up. All respect Butcher Bantan, do so. All respect Butcher Bantan, do so.
He's a conscious thing, remember. I'm just a most party anytime. Mind is first now.
All Butcher.
Well, any no God they can play. Delta Force play that data. So we are the roughest. But Baba Mai, and we are the toughest. You're the broad. Make them
First on this. No song no play it. No song no.
no miss.
Hold on. Stop you. You know
It's so light. He's a bunch of see you, you. And I hear some of that when the dog we have a love. Oh, I could have gone on there.
take it up.
Yes, I am.
First round. The full of song. The bad with song. They're going to play one next Butcher. Butcher sound and play the winner. A Butcher sound this, you know. A Butcher sound this. First round, man. Get us some of time.
Hey! Got to be a lion to know that jungle we don't see it. Turn like them like that, follow them to fear. From shit and elephant we can't get scared. Hey, you wish you get away, they have to be afraid. I don't want to be but I think it's a big affair. You turn behind you, you see first here.
Take it up. Me hear them say, I rub my dub. No. I don't care more with this one. I don't care more with this. I don't care more with this.
Out of mercy. Delta Force like your iron. Delta Force run by any time. What a Delta. You hear new sound, you dance and lick. Delta Force in a the place, better than make your deal. Move to the jump and make your body deep. Step to Delta Force. I just a new style when the whole place I do. Rap vocal dance and music like you. Vocal around the place like that. So just rap vocal dance, someone you trip.
One day, come on. Me mother send the gun shop. Anytime I don't bring back the right stuff, she give me some beer, you see? And the man listen to Murray Bantan song. Oh!
Straight across the board. Delta Force. Delta Force. That's all boy over the top of that. Let them this. What is what that Delta Force?
No.
What is what that Delta Force kill? That what is what that Delta Force? What is what that charter is?
I win in Delta Force. I energy we deal with. I saw we deal with the thing. I don't want to violate the orders. But me a young boy. We don't hear long point to me a city because me a young boy. But look at my prayer. What will I do? You know your hand, but guess what? Big song.
Ouch! 96 degrees in the day.
Big song up there. Big song.
Delta Force, yes. Oh God, jam up the Delta. Says it's 96 degrees.
Oi!
Delta Force.
When I'm on it. Hold it.
I'm the massive them around. Here Delta Force play. Oh yeah. Here Delta Force play.
Well, I saw me like energy. Yeah, man, I saw it. I don't want a man feel say, through the year about rubber dub.
Yes, sir.
When I come in so old tired dub play. The people them want energy. I love that. So when they hear 3 sound play, I have a year now. The next one play. So this is Styly Media. So Styly Media.
Yes, sir.
You see where I go on? Styly Media. Remember, you know, and the original Metro Media. So yeah, Styly Media. So Styly Media, style up the media.
Good evening, Jamaica. Everybody good? Now, Mr. Metro, you lie to me, you know. When I heard the flyer, when we see the flyer, I hear the advertisement, it sounded like I was supposed to play Delta Force. But I'm not. There's many sounds. So, Jamaica, listen this. Many sounds. Right? Right.
Styly Media. Styly Media.
If you want me to kill them sound, it's a style them.
Style them.
Right?
Style them.
Listen.
Shanity. Style them. Rastly. Style them. Come in Upton James and style them. Styly Media.
You think I want sound to come for kill tonight? Sound like a dead. 3 and more. People, listen. Rubbing Up Thursdays. Listen to me.
Many songs to kill, and I know Styly Media will.
You think me come for play with sound?
Many songs to kill.
People, you're the big fat one over there that come from Canada. Bridget, a bun and cheese, every bun and cheese in Jamaica. What's going on, brother? Them say them come for war, but them don't really know about war. May I talk to every sound individually. Listen me, people.
You know, say find your device, you don't know June X and Revolution time. It was a Styly Media sound. I was a Shanity, Brown man, they don't know in a double J. We said Dr.
Easy, man, easy.
I would have sound more. No. Not to the dance and twist against the ones that belong to the Skibberant to come to pour. And Styly Media.
People, listen me.
Kill them forevermore.
When I come to play with them. When we come for those Styly Media, where we say people?
Styly Media, a killer sound round, yeah. Styly Media, stand firm. When a sound boy rise against the eye.
And we say war.
Oh, the Styly Media step soldier. The way is dark, never leave them alone. Brown man, we fear.
So Mr. Mitchell, you say war. What we say? What we say?
Check this out. This is Lucha the Domestic. Come on.
A war, we come for war them tonight. People, we don't play with people. Listen to me.
Until the philosophy that old one stands superior and another
Where's the Jamaica?
inferior
What we say?
is finally
Yes, we brother, fire.
and permanently discredited.
Sing the name, people, sing the chorus. Well, everywhere is cheese. You see Delta Force? The big, hey, you see the brother upon Delta Force? They might run around like him upon something. We're gonna kill that right now. People, listen me. Delta Force.
Double J and the whole family, no.
Anybody that run around like them, run around like so. That could never be weed. Something you must say upon. Brother man, don't big up yourself dancing clear. Jamaica, listen to me.
It's the worst mistake you ever
making of your life.
Some of them are carry their feelings.
You know.
The Styly Media and them dead tonight. Them never know this is somebody.
So what are you gonna do to them?
We kill them for free.
Pull up. Cause you see tonight it's all about this. 3 sound are gonna dead in ya.
No. Styly Media.
3 sound are gonna dead in ya. You said don't play with them, and I'll play with them, Mr. Metro. Listen, only the famous.
You know. Someone you didn't know.
But I'm not telling you original Styly Media there from England. Why?
Tonight, if you're playing around, Styly Media, I go give you a burial.
A war.
Tonight, please you feel about Styly Media, I go give you a big burial.
Come on, now go on for them, see? I make me prove it, make me prove it, make me prove it.
Styly Media, kill them sound and call them a evil.
One to them.
Them boy they are evil.
Listen, Jamaica, hey.
Some sound boy, I play them jump and tune all night, but nothing like one. Styly Media say, better them load the music thing, go blow the farm. You know music, you know media.
You see, I'm staying up in Ochi, and I came down, and it's like my car break down. So me have to walk like a piece to get here. And you know what I mean? You know when we got people, listen, you know when we come through. I had to walk the last couple miles, this way and that way, but here we are. Where we do? Where we Linton? Oh, wow.
Oh, you get the fun, try and take the job. Come and get the fun, match with mom.
Pull up that. It's good to be in Jamaica. I love it here, people. I come here all the while. I'm an Englishman, so I love the sun and I love the girls. Is that right? Right. See what? But you see tonight it's all about sound killing. So if there's a killing, the killing have to be done. Sing a melody, come cross. Some somewhere around the world, where you are. I want you to tell them for me, Jamaica. Tell them. Tree sound. Where's it? Can't lose tonight, people. Say it what? Where is it? Listen. Listen me. Turn it up, turn it up.
Yo, we tell some sound, pull them off a wall and in a sin. We never lose a clash, we have to win. Yo, me tell you all of them done in so now we think up the Styly Media, keep your head up. The fire where we have on the whole place that get red up. Done some little sound, you know we can't say we fed up. The place will be lively, it can't dead up. Styly, we not afraid of them. Ready the only sound where you said the way for them.
Well, I'm the last one this. So you see tonight, one thing we go and do. We go and try murder them. I'm gonna work hard. I have to work hard. I came a very long way, right? So we have to work. The other day, I see Peter Metro tell two sound, get out of here. If he could have swear, he would have swear. Right? So people, listen to me.
Styly Media sound.
The last one.
Spotlight. Marcel would say, take it to the world. Dr. Squares, pick up yourself every time. Shawnee T, easy now. Brownie man, pick up yourself. Double G.
Listen.
Enough respect. Fuzzy, let it go right now. Make we coof sound wide. Styly Media sound to the world.
What do you do?
Ba-ba-da. Ba-ba-ba-da-ba. Styly Media sound here. As long as he plays, and as long as he plays, sound shall die. So why you gonna die? We not.
Mr. Metro, there you go.
Hold on before you vote, I know what them yard from early, you know. I see the sound them, hey, wait till the people and we have a vote. But come here. Look what me here say. He's a English. Where you say look about English man? Where you say look what? Where you say? Your parents are Jamaican? Yes or no? They are not Jamaican.
My parents are not Jamaican, but my family is in Jamaica, right? Discovery Bay, Mr. Mitchell.
Okay. Alright, so you're out of England then. Alright, so people, want to see the 4 sound play. And we are going to honestly vote now. See? Yes. Alright. The sound of name Merciless, that are the brother with the whole heap of weight and thing. All who love how Merciless play, give me a lion pine at the ear. Alright, yes, and I love how all who love how Styly Media play, give me a lion partner at the ear. Nice, we love that. See it? All who love how Delta Force play, give me a lion partner at the ear. Wow. All who love our massive sound play, give me a lion paw. Alright. 4 now go on good. I don't tell a lie, I love how that look. 4 now go on good. Smaddy, I go on them yard. No. Anyway, right now, O'Neil say, we are giving them how much minute now, O'Neil? How much minute?
I'm just giving them 6.
The set 6 minutes. So hear me now, the sound from Portland, massive sound. So you come start it back here now. Right, cause you know you get here 6 minutes you know. I want the man them just turn up the thing for the people, every sound for turn it up. Right? Put things for people. Yeah.
Check. Alright. Make certain say the word this time. See? Dancehall Thursday, big up on yourself. Believe me when we say that. The platform is a something spot they ever want to come on it. They ever want to reach us. So tonight, they are going to represent. People, let me tell you something. We are going to start this. Right, yes, Janus.
Well, Bobby, endeavor, not of yourself.
We are going to start it, yes.
Let up. Don't long talking. See, they went out to the massive wicked song.
Lever! Dancehall Thursday, this is the real part of the dance going on. Janus! Dancehall Thursday, we're ready to start cash! Dancehall Thursday! Make it tell them and all this! Kill out that soul with your mouth! Kill out that soul with your mouth! Lever! And Dancehall Thursday with you! Janus! Dancehall Thursday we say! Dancehall Thursday! All this!
Said that we rule, and now we have no time. Some boy, you a fool.
Portland!
International of the title.
The title!